Have you guys ever seen a perfect signal like this one? It was really one perfect signal. I'm so proud to say that last week I have sent a signal to sell the gold from 2,424, and as you can see, the reversal has occurred exactly from the given price of the sell. Not only that, but we had right here, of course, a waterfall of profits, and the gold has just went straight and sharply way to the take profit level, making at least 712 pips of profit. It was fantastic signal, and if you guys have taken it, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. And please share the video. I believe, guys, this content deserves more views and more likes. I mean, I believe these perfect signals deserves more. But again, we have to highlight that not every signal is going to be good as this one. But this was really one perfect signal. I cannot really stop looking at it. Somehow turning me on. I mean, I don't know. Just... Anyway, gold was really a good signal. Let's now see what we can do next with the gold for the upcoming week. But before that, it's highly important to remind you, my friends, about the upcoming week. Is gonna be insane week for everybody. Of course, next Wednesday we have the federal funds rates, FOMC. Of course, a lot of news that actually might affect the gold. And again, we have the ISM PMIs on Thursday, I believe. Yes, Thursday we have the ISM PMIs, and then of course our favorite Friday we will have the non-farm payroll and the unemployment rate. So please be aware that the signal that you are about to receive in this video might actually be interrupted with these news. However, fear nothing, because we will update you, of course, accordingly on our Telegram. This is, of course, my free channel on Telegram. You can just simply join it from the link in the description below of this video. You will find it, and you can join actually to receive any updates and warnings about these news. So when you join this channel channel on Telegram, you will actually guys get a lot of news and notifications from us directly. Any updates about the signal will be sent through Telegram on our channel. So now, what's next with the gold? First of all, let's now go to the weekly chart. Now, so far what we are having here is promising for the fall. What we are having here, of course, based on the weekly chart, a lot of wicks at the peak of the candles. Not only that, but if we look, if we just simply look at the weekly chart, we can see here something very interesting. Not only the pin bar, not only the two inverted hammers, but we can see here clearly head and shoulders. And that is so interesting. I mean, we have here a triple top pattern. Combining that with the head and shoulders, that's really a good confirmation that the gold actually most likely going to continue the fall. Now, by moving to the daily chart, however, now we can see here clearly, my friends, another head and shoulders has appeared. And of course, we can see it here more clear. So actually, I cannot really get much from the daily chart. I have to switch now to the 4-hour time frame to see more in details. Now again, we can see again the head and shoulders pattern, and now what we can see right here based on the 4-hour time frame, which was not really obvious on the daily chart, is the broken level of a support trend line. Wow, that's interesting. So meaning we have here, of course, a strong key level of a support trend line that has been respected all the way, and then finally we have here the bearish breakout from that level. Not only that, but what I'm telling you, my friends, always is the following. So when you have, of course, a support trend line, and that level, of course, is on upper trend, and then we have here a broken out level. I mean, when you can see the candle actually makes a breakout from that supported trend line, the normal behavior of the market is simply that the market will continue the fall toward the previous level of a key support at 61.8 Fibonacci retracement right here, and afterward the gold will rise again to retest the broken level of a supported trend line and creates a new resistance trend line. That's exactly what's happening right here. Literally what we are seeing. We have here, of course, a broken level of a supported trend line, and again the market fall all the way right here and dropped, making a bearish breakout from that supported trend line, and right now has reversed exactly at Fibonacci 61.8. I think it's Fibonacci 61.8. Let me just check. Yes, it has reversed exactly at Fibonacci 61.8, and now the gold is going to continue the rise toward that level of a previous supported trend line, and afterward it will continue the fall. So therefore, we have right here two signs that the gold will continue the fall. Number one, of course, is the head and shoulders pattern. Number 2 is of course the broken level of a support trend line, and by that we can hope actually for the gold to continue the rise toward 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. And let me now just switch to the 1 hour time frame. So as we can see, what we did right here, my friends, is simply like that. So weekly and daily chart, we use them to identify the direction of the market. Now 4 hour time frame and 1 hour time frame is actually being used to find your entry. So what I will do right now is simply draw here a Fibonacci retracement on the last pattern, or sorry, the last structure. And now we can see clearly that we have right here, of course, the Fibonacci 61.8 exactly right here at 2,402. And by looking at the left side, it's very clear that we have right here, of course, a strongest key level of a resistance, which was in the past also a key support. And remember that this bearish breakout candle from this level of a support, we have to sell the market exactly at the nearest level of a resistance to that bearish breakout candle, which lies exactly right here. So we will simply wait for the gold to rise again right here to Fibonacci 61.8, and we will place our sell order, and hopefully this time is going to be respected, and our target will be again the same level of the lowest level of the support at 2,355, which means we can aim around 470 pips profit from this signal, just like this. However, the safe zone this time, my friends, has got to be actually a little bit bigger, because we have to give the gold a space to expand if in case it has actually went against our direction. So therefore the safe zone shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance right here, exactly right here at that level of a previous support at 2,423, which means the safe zone will be ranging for around 200 pips, and take profit level is going to be 470 pips of profit. Let me now please write the signal for you. And there goes your signal, my friends, on the gold for the upcoming week. But again, my friends, please be aware about these news. They actually can change the entire direction of the gold. Of course, it all depends on the actual forecast. And in the end, of course, don't forget again to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. For example, here, this signal, which I have sent here last Thursday on the gold. And for example, those who didn't join the Telegram, there was no way that they will get this update from me. Because I have sent here on the midweek analysis on the gold a new signal, but it has actually instantly reached our take profit level, and as a result I had to cancel the signal by telling them highly recommended to not enter the new sell signal. So trade with the Xtreme Trader team, be part of the Xtreme Trader team, and simply join this group on Telegram to receive all kinds of updates about any signal that you are receiving here on YouTube. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.